Hello, welcome back. Oh God. Hello, welcome. Hi, hi guys, welcome back to our new vlog. Like, yeah, बहुत time हो गया. I know. So, anyways, so welcome back to my channel again, and today we are again doing Savannah haul. So let me just tell you. First of all, I just wanted to create क्या कहते हैं उसको Christmas का outfit, but when I ordered it, it came out little different. So let's just see. Okay, let's just review the product first. उसके बाद हम outfit arrange करके पहन सकते हैं. Product's gonna be like हमेशा की तरह अच्छा ही होगा, that I know. So the first product I would say is this. इसका बहुत सारा कलर्स अवेलेबल है, लाइक ब्लू, आई गेस या ब्लू एंड ब्लैक, बट मेरे पास में ये वाला कलर नहीं था इसका, सो दैट्स द ओनली रीज़न आई बॉट इट. अदरवाइज मैं ब्लू ही लेती या फिर ब्लैक लेती, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट दिस जीन्स इज obviously it is winter. I'm already wearing sweater. It has fur inside. Can you believe it? Obviously you'll have to believe it. See, it has fur inside. So like you don't have to wear extra stockings from inside and all. Like just wear it and go. Like so nice. And we will wear this last में, then I'll show you. The price of this is 1600, which is worth, क्योंकि jeans का material बहुत अच्छा है and अंदर में fur है. Guys, what do you need? What else do you need? Second is मैंने सोचा था कि वो jeans पहनूंगी, फिर ये पहनूंगी, grey and red का combination, and then I'll wear a leather jacket and then purse. I thought वैसा सोचा था, but then अब जैसे outfit बनाते हो ना वैसे कभी कभी नहीं बनता है. Anyways, so the other product is this one. इसका what I liked is कि बहुत soft है, soft के साथ साथ बहुत गर्म है, winter proof I would say, and it has nothing, but then इसका ये जो cut है ना, when you wear it अच्छा लगता है, but I'll show you at the end, okay. And there is nothing as such, normal top है, 500. Yes. Our third product is it's open already. This, you know, this is little big for me. That is in the size of XS, and also the jeans ka size is XS, I guess. Yeah, XS. ये वाला, I think this is also XS. Okay. ये जब when I thought of no when I was जब हम खरीद रहा था इसको, आई थॉट कि एक्सेस होगा तो ओबियसली फिट आएगा, बिकॉज नॉर्मली सवाना का एक्सेस वो मेरे बॉडी में फिट आता है. ये वाला इज़ लिटिल लूज, इट्स इन अ डीप नेक, बट देन इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू ऑर्डर दिस, प्लीज़ ऑर्डर इट इन अ डबल XS, ओके. उसके बाद में आपको ये फिट आएगा, अदरवाइज लाइक नहीं, इट्स नॉट दैट गुड मेरे साइड से. एंड दिस इज़ फॉर ये समर वेयर्स, बट देन मुझे ना ये ऑफर में मिल रहा था 450 का, सो आई गॉट इट. 10-20 रुपये तो ऊपर नीचे हो ही जाता है. Another product is this. This is teddy sweater or jumper or what do you call it? But then this is so I just love it. Do you remember हमारे पास एक ब्लैंकेट होता है ना, मतलब सरोजनी में तो 500 रुपये का मिल जाता है, बट आई बेट यू सारे घर पे वो ब्लैंकेट होता है, वो सॉफ्ट वाला, यू नो, easy to carry and same exactly. You don't have to wear, you don't have to get your blanket. This winter I'm gonna wear this, like this is very nice. And I have ordered this कितना एक्सेल साइज में, बिकॉज यू नो जो भी स्वेटर होता है आई लाइक इट, आई लाइक वेयरिंग इट ऐसा थोड़ा सा बैगी वाला, लाइक जंपर हो गया, हुडी हो गया एंड ऑल. सो या दैट्स द रीज़न आई गॉट दिस इन अ एक्सेल साइज. एंड ओ माय गॉड, I'm just loving this. See, amazing. It's very big for me. और हम अंदर गायब हो जाएगा इसका. See the material. प्राइस इसका It's 1490, which is worth, अगर आप H&M में जाओगे ना, they will cost you around 1800, 2200, 1600 का भी मिल सकता है. तो like अच्छा है ना, it's very nice. Then we have leather wala. This is very lightweight. I'll show you the quality of the leather. Finishing is nice, I would say. Finishing इसका अच्छा है. And मुझे इसका design अच्छा लगा था. Very simple and neat. That's the reason I got it. Because I do have one leather jacket, ठीक है. That is मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा है. You cannot wear it summers में तो. Yeah, lightweight, easy to carry. And you can obviously wear high neck inside and all, जो भी है. So I'll show you the material inside it is ऐसे. I don't know whether you will like it or not, but I'll just wear it and then I'll show you. इसका प्राइस है, मैंने पहना था तो ना मैंने तोड़ा था, 2290, like 2000 का. But I would say प्राइस के हिसाब से this is थोड़ा सा, I don't know, प्राइस के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगा हमको. Like बाकी that depends on you. पहनने के बाद में this will give you a good look and many thing, but then should be like 1500 to 1800 के बीच में होने से ज़्यादा ओकेश होना था. Anyways, then we have presenting Savannah's dark brown bag. And this is how long it is. Zip अंदर कुछ है नहीं क्या. And इसका तो प्राइस I don't remember now. Let me check. The price is 990 rupees, which could have been better अगर 700-800 का होता तो. But see, you will also मतलब accept the fact that कि लड़कियों को जितना भी कम करके दो, उनको लगेगा कि भैया थोड़ा सा और कम कर दो. So, but this bag is nice. Last but not the least is, not me obviously, this sweater. Like oh my god, I am really loving it. Like मैंने इसका भी obviously थोड़ा बड़ा साइज मंगवाया था. साइज बड़ा साइज नहीं मंगवाया था. It says only one size. So this, the material is very soft. See, very neat, clean, and also the design, like, can you see it? And this I got it for 1200 rupees. And I'm really loving it. This is very warm, comfy, and it has this बांधने वाला like this. So yeah, तो मैंने इसे ऐसे टाई करा हुआ है. Ta-da! Anyway, so with this, I am ending up my video. It sounds like I'm ending up with my boyfriend. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and give me the reviews or give the review of the products so that Savannah can do better, and also me. Bye bye. Yes, please don't forget to use my coupon to get discount. सारा आउटफिट तो एक साथ ही पहन लिया. Not that bad. Wow. Like so easy wear. कभी भी बस पहन लो and then चले जाओ. Like it would go with everything. ये सबके साथ जाएगा. And I guess crop top तो I don't think वो मुझे दिखाना पड़ेगा. Well, my boyfriend gifted this.